Hey everyone, what's up? Thank you for coming on to my channel, and I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you're here. My name is Natoy, and this is your first time coming to my channel. Thank you for watching. I have a lot in store for you. If this is not your first time, thank you for coming back again. This is just a quick All the Stars inspired Black Panther look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I recorded this over a year ago, and it was somehow taken down off of YouTube, but I found a way to get it back on, and hopefully they don't take it down again. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and Wakanda forever. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm back, guys. I decided to do my lashes off camera, also my liner off camera. It's just so much quicker that way. So I'm just gonna go right in. So I will be using my Anastasia lip kit for some of the colors that I will be placing on. And I'm also going to be using my NYX Jumbo Pencil, 604, the milk. And I'm also going to use my Wet n Wild pencil liner. It's like a eyeliner, but these are the two that I will be using. I'm gonna go for like more of what SZA had in the video, all them extra dots on her forehead. I'm gonna do that, but let me put my little spin on it.